What does quality really mean in project management?
It is certainly not just about testing,
And it is definitely not just about compliance.
rather it is a complete and holistic system.
And it has 9 dimensions.
Let's break them down one by one. The first dimension is performance.
Does it work as expected?
The second dimension is conformity.
Does the deliverable meet all the specifications?
The third dimension is reliability.
Will it work consistently over time?
The fourth dimension is resilience.
Can it recover from failure?
The fifth dimension is satisfaction.
Are users happy with the outcome?
The sixth dimension is uniformity.
Is quality consistent across outputs?
The seventh dimension is efficiency.
Are we effectively minimizing waste in the process?
The eighth dimension is sustainability.
Are we creating long-term value?
And the ninth dimension is compliance.
Are we meeting all regulations?
All these dimensions must work together seamlessly.
Ignore one, and quality suffers.
Let's take a look at an example.
High performance but low reliability creates failure over time.
Or efficiency without compliance creates risk.
That's why quality must be integrated.
They cannot be managed in isolation.
Embedded quality also reduces waste. Less rework, less delay, better outcomes, and stronger project success. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.